Okay, hello friends, welcome back. And as you know, we are going to start our daily commitment program for Mains 2020, and tomorrow is the first day for that. And as you know, we have already talked about before that what we are going to do. We are going to plan out some way like 3 days. We'll be studying geography, that is Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. That is our optional days, and Thursday, Friday, and Saturday are going to be our general studies days, and Sunday will be reserved for the tests, the revisions, and the essay. Okay, and regarding that, here I am just trying to explain you how our daily schedule for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday would be looking something like. And I have already talked about that we will be doing what? We'll be dividing the day into two parts, the morning session and the evening session. So two parts it would be there, and accordingly what we'll do, one part, first part we'll study a different topic of optional, second part will be studying a different topic of optional. Okay, so that we have less time and we have urgency. Okay, also if we have less time, then what we will do, we will just focus on the areas where ultimately which are the core areas, and I'll not just drift too much away, and I'll not have too much of time ultimately to waste. Okay, we'll do very concerted, very focused studies, and so that we are able to consolidate it better. Okay, so in that sense, this is how our daily schedule for Mondays, you can see here, for your Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday is going to be like. And I am giving you a certain timeline, but again I am saying that this timeline is not rigid. Okay, it is not very rigid. I know many of you are nocturnal animals, so maybe you are more comfortable during the night. Some of you may be comfortable during the day. So accordingly, you can just adjust your timings. Okay, the only thing that cannot be adjusted is this evening session class, which is going to be there. Okay, this is the only thing that cannot be adjusted, because that is the fixed time when I will be taking the 500 classes. Okay, this 8 a.m. class which is there, and majority of you, we know that most of you who have enrolled for 500 plus, you have already completed these classes. So that is here you basically what you have to do, you are in this part, that is you have to revise those topics. Okay, and when it comes to some of you, I know, but just handful of you who didn't take admissions earlier and are again retaking admissions in the full course. So there will be a video class for you, and as we have already informed, so this would be uploaded every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday at 8 a.m. Now, very importantly, I'm just trying to say this, and I'm reminding you, all of you who have taken admissions now, so all of you who are taking new admissions for the full course, what I'm just trying to suggest here is, it is going to be very strenuous, difficult, and you should know before even you start, because taking for almost 5-6 hours class every day and again revising that, and also so many things, other things updating, it is not going to be easy. Also writing some answers, framing some answers, it is not going to be easy. Okay, so very, very important thing for you people is stick to the class material. If you just stick to the class material, I can assure you, you will be able to finish out. Okay, but if you also think, if you become too ideal that I will be doing this also, that notes also, then again, I'm really sorry, you will face a big problem. Ultimately, you will fail every day in your tasks which are given to you, and this is going to severely impact your motivation and all the aspects related with the exam. So you don't have to do this. Okay, some of you who feel that I'm again talking about the new admissions, some of you who feel that it is maybe these classes doing same geography, 2 classes of geography on the same day will be going to be difficult. Maybe what you can do, at least for few for the month of October, maybe what you can do is you can shift, if you want to see those morning classes on other days, like you can see Thursday, Friday and Saturday. So you can plan accordingly. As you know, we have given the 3-click system. So there is flexibility on when you can see the videos. So accordingly you plan, whichever you are comfortable, you can plan, and accordingly you can shift the GS classes of Thursday, Friday and Saturday on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and accordingly you can plan. Okay, so there is nothing rigid in this. What I am just trying to suggest you is it is not rigid schedule which I am giving you. Okay, so that is one thing about the new people who are taking new admissions. Now already those who have attended the before prelims classes, that is going to be there in the morning session. I would suggest you just follow the new schedule. I'll also provide this schedule in the name of revision schedule in the Telegram, our Telegram channel and group. So the new schedule of before prelims for revision. So what you do, you revise on the same days. You revise those topics which we have already studied. Okay, and make sure that you are able to consolidate properly. Okay, remember, no doubt that those already who have done the class before prelims class, you have a bit of edge, but don't take it for granted. If you do not revise, again this edge would be really gone. Okay, it would be literally gone. And those people who are new admissions, they also have an advantage in a way, because they will be watching these classes fresh. So it will be there in their short-term memory. So it is not that you only have advantage, other people can also have advantage. So if you not revise, then what will happen? All the advantage that you might be having, all this advantage would be gone. Okay, so please don't do that. Now, so I'll come back to the schedule. So here the classes would be uploaded on 8 AM, and again for those who have to just revise those classes, you already have done the classes, you have the notes, you revise them, you try to solve the practice questions which had been given along with them, or the session questions itself, you can solve them, no problem in that. Okay, make sure that you memorize. This is the time of memorization. Okay, mains is all about memorization. The better you memorize, the better you will perform in the mains. So don't be in those fool's paradise where you thinking that everything I have understood, okay fine, now I know everything. It is not going to work like that. There in the mains you have to think in fractions of seconds. Okay, so it is going to be very important how much you are able to memorize. Okay, one more thing, I'm saying this generally to all of you, please keep your ego locked up for 3 months. And why I'm saying this, to keep your egos locked up for 3 months? Basically, because during the classes, it can happen that many topics you didn't understand. Ho sakta hai. It is very normal. Okay, because these are fast paced classes, so it can happen. Like for example, some of you already, most of you have already attended the classes of perspectives. Some topics you didn't understand. Same thing, new joinees would be attending the classes of the perspectives. Many things maybe you will not understand. So now I have 2 options, and one options is I try to make sure I fully understand understand the topic. But do you know that this is, if you do this, if you try this option, it is going to take a hell lot of time and it would derail your preparation. It would demotivate you. So I am totally against this option. What I suggest is the Brahmastra of UPSC, and the Brahmastra of UPSC is, if you do not understand, simply memorize it. Forget about anything. You simply memorize it. Examiner doesn't have the telepathic powers so that he will be able to know whether you understood the topic or whether you didn't. If you memorized and you wrote it, memorize the keywords and wrote it, it is going to work equally good for those people who understood the topic. Okay, so keep your egos locked up for some time, 3 months. That is what we ask you. Okay, so that is one thing. Now, so these would be the sessions which would be there, and or the revisions which we'll be doing. Now, what we'll do every day 1 p.m. What we'll do, we'll provide model answers of the previous day morning session. 2 times we'll be providing questions to you, two questions each. So 2 questions would be provided related to the topics of the morning session. 2 questions would be provided at 10 p.m. to you related with the topics of the evening session. Okay, and like for example, today I am providing 2 questions. Tomorrow same time, what I will do, I will provide the model answers of them. That means you'll have 24 hours to write or frame whatever you do. I am not saying fully write the answer, because might be you don't have that much of liberty of time. So you just frame them in 2, 3, 4 minutes, and the next day when the model answer comes, you just self-evaluate them and try to give yourself marks. Okay, so that is 1 p.m. every day. What we'll do, we'll provide the model answer of the previous day morning session daily practice questions. Plus we'll provide some examples, some case studies, current events if they were there. Okay, and 2 more practice questions related with the morning session topics of that day. Okay, so this is how it is going to work. So 1 p.m. this will be there. Same activity will be done at 10 p.m. You can see model answer of previous day evening session daily practice questions, and examples, case studies, current events, and 2 practice questions of related with the evening session topics. Okay, so same thing 1 p.m. and 10 p.m. Okay, so just what you have to do, I just want that your most of the time is spent in memorizing the content, and if there is time, you practice them by writing answer, by frameworking. And I don't want you in search of the content. Okay, so we'll try whatever best we can do to provide you that content, and for most of the topic we'll try to provide some examples, etc., so that you are comfortable in them. Okay, so examples you have, some case studies you have, which you'll be able to utilize. Okay, so that is one thing that will be there. Okay, so भारत एक खोज में नहीं जाना है, we have to just sit and memorize. ठीक है, वो भारत एक खोज का टाइम निकल चुका है. Then one more thing that will be there, 2 p.m. every day we'll provide you 5 map entries. Mostly they would be in news, or even some of the entries will provide you with respect to if you talk about the some basic entries which I feel maybe they might be repeating it, so we'll provide that, but mostly it would be related with the entries which have been in news. Okay, like for example, you saw I had posted this in the Telegram group which was there. Okay, so you might have seen that, which I had posted this. Okay, so it was about the Puthimari river which was in news. So we'll provide this type of diagram where that river would be there. Like for example, here you can see that here is this your Puthimari river. Okay, and again what we'll do, you can see that here some news, why it was in news, will provide that. So why that was in ultimately in news. Okay, so like Puthimari river, it was recently in news for the flooding after the Amphan cyclone, and it is rising in Assam. It is tributary of Brahmaputra, and it is very importantly known for its floods and high sediment load. Okay, so like this will be providing you at least 5 entries every day related, mostly related with those which places which have been in news. Okay, so this is how we are going to work. Again, I am saying, if you face problem, you consult me. What we'll do, we'll tailor make some plan for you. If you are facing, if you find that this is too much for you, okay, and we'll try to make some tailor-made program for you, or we'll try to suggest some tailor-made schedule for you according to your choices, your preferences, your needs. Okay, so that is it. Hopefully from tomorrow we are going to be like fully committed. As we said, the name of this program is itself Commitment Batch 2020. Okay, so I will be committed, and I hope all of you will be with me, and we'll together make sure that on the day of the exam, when we come out of the examination hall, we will be satisfied. We can never be sure that we'll get selected, but we will be satisfied. Okay, that is what I want from you. Okay, so good night. It is already very late, so we'll be meeting tomorrow in the class. Okay, so one more thing, I just, oh sorry, very sorry. Every day what I'll do, in fact I'll provide one more thing. I just forgot to mention that. I should mention here. Like for example, I'll provide a full schedule for the revision of these days as well, which topics you have to basically revise properly. Okay, so it is already there, but I will further subdivide it into topics. Like for example, tomorrow morning session. So morning session, ideally what I will do, I will revise some topics, like it is population geography topics we are starting with, as you know. So that was the first topic which we started with. So population geography, the concepts of over, under and optimum population. Then there is another topic by the name of population theories. Then there is other topic by the name of which is there in models and theories, that is Malthus, Marx and demographic transition theories. Okay, also there is one topic of fertility and mortality. Okay, so these are the topics of your revision, or if you're attending the class, if you're new, you will be attending the classes related with these topics. Okay, and if you talk about the evening session, as you know, tomorrow I am going to start with the geomorphology topic, and geomorphology, the second part of geomorphology, the exogenetic part of geomorphology, will be going to start with that. Okay, and in this evening session tomorrow mainly we are going to complete the concept of cycle of erosion and landform development. We'll see, if time permits, we'll start with the topic of slope development also. Okay, so this is the agenda for tomorrow. These will be the topics you have to revise and study. Okay, so that is how we'll be moving on, and this detailed breakup I'll be providing you in the Telegram group and the channel both. Okay, so Good night for now. Take care, and we'll be soon. We'll start from tomorrow and with full commitment. Okay.